Have you ever imagined creating lifelike digital avatars and models in just a few clicks? Whether you're a designer, marketer, or content creator, Maneken.app makes it easier than ever to bring your digital ideas to life. In this video, we're diving into how this AI-powered platform works and how you can use it to elevate your creative projects. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm introducing you to Maneken.app, a revolutionary AI-powered platform that helps you create stunning digital avatars and models for all kinds of creative projects. Whether you're working on an e-commerce project, virtual fashion, or even animation, Maneken's lifelike avatars will help take your visuals to the next level. What is Maneken.app? Maneken.app is an innovative platform that uses advanced artificial intelligence to create realistic avatars and digital models. It's perfect for creative professionals, from marketers to designers who want to save time and still achieve high-quality visuals. Whether you're designing virtual fashion models or creating avatars for digital marketing, this app can do it all. Why use Maneken.app? Here's why you should use Maneken.app. Realistic digital avatars. You can create lifelike, highly detailed avatars for various uses, from e-commerce product displays to social media marketing. Customizable features. Modify and tailor your avatars with different skin tones, hairstyles, clothing, and more to match the specific look or branding you need. AI-powered simplicity. No advanced tech skills needed. Maneken's AI simplifies the whole process so you can create stunning visuals in just a few clicks. Key features of Maneken.app. High-resolution avatars. One of the most impressive features is the ability to generate high-resolution photorealistic avatars. This makes it perfect for industries like fashion, e-commerce, and gaming. Virtual fashion. If you're in the fashion industry, you can use Maneken's avatars to create virtual fashion models, perfect for showing off your designs before they even hit the runway or store shelves. Interactive and versatile. The avatars are interactive and can be used in various contexts: web, mobile, VR, and AR, giving you endless possibilities for your projects. How to use Maneken.app. Let's walk through how to use Maneken.app. Sign up and log in. First, head to Maneken.app and sign up for your account. The interface is super easy to navigate. Choose your avatar style. After logging in, you can select from various templates or create your own unique avatar. Customize your model. Choose the appearance, clothing, and other features of your avatar. The platform allows for deep customization so you can get the exact look you want. Export and use. Once you're happy with your avatar, you can export it in high resolution and use it for your specific project, whether that's on your website, social media, or in virtual environments. Why Maneken.app is a game changer. This tool stands out because it brings together AI, creativity, and user-friendliness in one platform. With the ability to generate high-quality avatars that are perfect for modern digital marketing, gaming, and fashion industries, Maneken.app is setting a new standard. Use cases. Maneken.app has a wide range of applications. Digital marketing, use the avatars in your ads, social media, or on websites to showcase products in a more dynamic way. Fashion design. Visualize your fashion ideas and designs with highly realistic avatars before going into production. Gaming and VR. Easily create interactive characters for gaming or virtual reality projects. Personal experience and review. After using Maneken.app, I found the level of customization and the quality of the avatars to be truly impressive. It's quick, easy, and versatile, making it perfect for anyone who needs to create digital models or avatars fast without sacrificing quality. Conclusion. In conclusion, If you're looking for a way to create professional, lifelike avatars for your business or creative projects, Maneken.app is the perfect tool. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on the latest AI tools and digital innovations. Let me know in the comments how you would use Maneken.app for your projects.